Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to trim sound in TikTok. The process is really simple. First, make sure that you are connected with internet. Once you are connected with internet, go and open your TikTok app. When you are on TikTok application, you will see a plus option by the bottom of your screen. When you click on plus option, you either choose to upload a video or a photo. So me, I will be uploading a video. So now when you are here on this page by the bottom left corner of your screen, you will see the sound option. Click on it. So add any sound you want, right here. So now when you are done adding the sound, go back. You will see this mini scissor option right here. Click on it. When you click on it, you can trim it however you want by dragging it to the right corner of your screen. You can trim it however you want it. Once you are done trimming it however you want it, what you need to do is to click on done. So now you can go ahead and pause your video however you need it. In this way you can trim sound in TikTok. So this was a process by which you can trim sound in TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good